What's the difference here between 10% of the workforce returning as compared to 10% based on revenue? How much of a difference in terms of number of employees are we talking about here?
I don't have specific numbers, but you see in the BPO sector, there are headcounts that have different revenue revenue potential, sort of. So
Okay.
FTEs earn based on account that they serve, based on clients, and therefore it is likely that there are companies that may have less than 10% of the workforce in the office, but they are already earning 10% of the revenues.
Okay, got it. Now, given that as well, I mean, the thing is, you already have a lot of industries returning on site. Why not the BPO sector? Is part of your workforce already working hybrid mode or on site as well?
Yes, we have actually been working hybrid since the start of the
Mhm.
pandemic. As you know, we are among the essential industries that have been allowed to work 100%, but this is like a balance of work from home and work on site. So we have not really stopped sending people to work on site, but there are companies that have less than 10% on
Okay.
site because of, as I said, the prioritization of health and safety of workers, and that they follow the global directives of their headquarters. And so in this situation, companies have different strategies of letting people back to work. There are companies that will make sure that 10% at least are in the office. Our voice, aside of the industry, has at least 40% that are already on site. So this really depends on what the strategy is of the company in the levels of people that they are bringing back to office. And a big part of this decision is the vaccination situation of our employees. We have encouraged our employees to go and have their vaccination taken so that there is less concern for their health and safety if ever they need to go back to work already.
Okay, good thing that you pointed that as well, since you've been mentioning this throughout the interview as well, that a big factor would be the vaccination of your workforce. How's that going along so far?
We have two ways of getting our employees vaccinated. As you know, the LGUs have been really active in making sure that residents or workers in their cities are given the vaccination. We also have an internal vaccination program. We have signed up with tripartite agreements with government and the private sector.
Mhm.
And the BPO industry has acquired about 1 million doses of vaccines, and we have started receiving these vaccines and working with the private sector in terms of inoculation. When the supply comes, we make sure that our employees go to the vaccination areas
Mhm.
that have been designated for them, and we think that it's going smoothly. We also have established partnerships with certain LGUs to accelerate the inoculation of BPO workers in their certain localities. We have a partnership with Quezon City, and we have such arrangements also with Makati, Pasig, also Taguig, to
Mhm.
make sure that these types of engagements help our industry accelerate vaccination.
Okay,